Khubor pi baro syakatup Khubor jengi kedon Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta kesengi kilong. Nakari Russia enyok kejing tip basyai halor kejingja Subhash Chandra Bose ong Ujoydip Mukherjee. Lethi ke menteri Syamau Kenrau ban penclur repso strawberry. Ha kejing hiar kendra trading license jak ki khun kenthai nyau trap lingok ke KHADC. Bat penrem kithai ke Meghalaya, saya kithai ke Goa dan Nohprah la Nohprah basket ha Punjab. Bat mentang in pa syagi Khubor bakham banya. Kani kedai ke kenhun ke bahaduk menta mene kadang ap kmi linti bah kewei ke sengi ke jing shisha kan sepau halor ke jing jar ngai Subhash Chandra Bose naduk ke snem khat kendai spak saupusan ars nem shwa bakari India kan yok lait lot na ke jing senchar ki doli. Watla ke kai pot jong ke sorkar Japan kaladep pen meeting haki kendiat snem balalent ba Subhash Chandra Bose ulayap ha ke jing hap ke lingsun ha ke snem khat kendai spak saupusan Henry kani ke kenhon ke balayalam de way ni kinong thok kot kari ubalong ru advocate jong ke Supreme Court Ujoydip Mukherjee kim pediang satya ye kani ke kai pot namar ha ke way pat ke kai pot ke balapau ha ke way pat ke kot ke bala thok teng da Dr. Satya Narayan Sinha ke bala ai kerteng Netaji Mystery loong bay Subhash Chandra Bose la set patok teng ha bindi ke pasawusan ha Yakutsk jail ha Omsk city hari Siberia. Ujoydip Mukherjee loong batang kari Russia kala ban ai ke jing shisha lada ka IT lut barok ki kot kisla ki bedon ki jing tho syapang Subhash Chandra Bose syakari India bat ke sorkar India ru ka de ban sei pat ba no igi sap huai teli ki dulir ne kita ki classified files nadu ka snem khat khandai spa saw punyo ki ba ka sorkar India hadu menta kadang bure ye ki kum kita ki dulir ki bomlong ban ye tip pat ba Kum udak jingkeli ke sorkar India halor kini ke jingjia yu Subhash Chandra Bose. Bat ke jingkeli babele ke sorkar India na duk bayok ke jinglai lut ha ke snem khat kendai spak saw punyo na ki dok li kam shim lawat yu ni unong yele lai lut keri. Ujoydip Mukherjee ula thok bat penmi ru ye ka kot ke bala ai kerteng cheka the road of bones ke bala pelat pat ba ru Shillong ha ke ni ke juk ke sengi bat in sabeteng ke jing pelat sashiki wei pat ki Jylla.
Justice Mukherjee, who was a former judge of Supreme Court of India. The findings of the commission was that Bose is dead, but he didn't die in the plane crash, and the assist of Rinpoche Temple is not the assist of Subhash Chandra Bose. But where he died, so it is the duty of the central government to prove it. But unfortunately, still to the 41 file, it has been classified still today. And it is kept in the Ministry of Home Affairs but we strongly demand for the declassifications of the all documents of the especially AGB's files. So in this research field of the disappearance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose of last 15 years, so I just collected the all documents from the different parts of this world, especially from Moscow, KGB and Singapore, Vietnam and others. And from my effort, because I am from the freedom fighter family, my grandfather was a very close associate of Subhash Chandra Bose, and also he was a member of the Constituent Assembly. So just I came to conclusions that the book I have written in the name of Cheka, the Road of Bones. This book has this written by me, and the main viewpoint of this book is the main agenda of the book is that why what happened actually with the Bose. The namely Cheka and the Road of Bones, it's a very popular word because from my collections and the study, and also he was very much alive in the home city, and after certain period that he was put behind the bar in the Yakutsk jail in cell number 45 and in the Siberia. And it's, you know that after the Second World War, the total lakhs and lakhs of war prisoners was kept in as war prisoners in the Siberia, in the special different jails and the gulag in the laborers camp. And the after the because in minus 30 degree cold, in Siberia, so many war prisoners were killed, and also they faced the death by the traumatic torture by the Soviet KGB, and also they have buried in the one area, and among the buried, the one road was constructed, namely Road of Bones, and the Cheka is the torture policy of the Soviet Communist Party police, especially the KGB, that is called NKVD. So it's a totally research work of my field, and also I just mentioned that the chronological descriptions and evidence, with evidence from the archival documents, that Bush was very much after 1945 in Soviet Russia, and he was put behind the bar in the Yastuk jail in the cell number 45, and the documents is also coming, and now the time has come to reveal the truth. I urge to the central government to sit at the to start discussion with the Russia government, because the Putin is the former director of the KGB, the president. So the matter should be put and also solved, because it's a long time is going on. Where our leader, where is our leader, what is the destiny of what happened to actually with our leader. And another thing is that the 72 crores of rupees of Azad Force, the property of Azad Force, it was looted after the 1945. So it was also mentioned that where the money has gone, and we demanded to the central government to publish a white paper. So in these circumstances, my book, the Cheka, the Road of Bones, it has been launched in 2023 in the month of September in Kolkata, and I think that for the followers of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, especially in the Northeast, so many followers of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is alive, and I have every respect to them. So I am just today I have organized these functions only for that, to again launch of my book in the city of Shillong, for the great land of the freedom fighter, those who made their supreme sacrifice and joined in the freedom struggle of India. Because that's why today I have organized this function, and also from this book, it is totally reflected that actually what happened with our great leader. So now I would like to request Mr. Manoj Banerjee, and I'm just introducing Mr. Manoj Banerjee, eminent journalist, Mr. Suranjan Dasgupta, who is an eminent advocate of Calcutta High Court, and my colleague, Mr. Arif, is from your state, and also that I have asked him to organize this function. I would like now request to launch the book, with the book once again.
Kementeri Ketenat Kerep Keriang Kokong Amperin Lingdo Hakasngi Balang Kalahir Syamau Kenrau Bania Kendu Ikinong Rep Ban Penchluriaki Ban Sedang No Ya Kerep Sok Shan Nesok Strawberry. Hakini kejengnya Kendu Ikinong Rep Ladon Langru Kokong Ai Lalu Nalor Kiwei Ki Opisar Kumju Ikinong Rep Kibawan Nakeleng. Kementeri Kala Penchluri Ikinong Rep Bakin Persyang Bunjat Kima Rep Kentup Ya Kerep Sok Ba Naka Benta Ban Kentiu Ya Kayok Kakot.
Kiyen sa kibabiang Shillong ki thao ban yo il ka kot ka khya ki sub centers ki batrekam ki PHCs ki batrekam bat kumta ter ka sarkar kam matla ka sarkar ka klem kulut bat ni yo i ye kata nre ka wei ka jing yo i jonga ha ka por bang hiar na ki te ki lum kalong ki per strawberry jo fi jing itna season 1 hinang te yo i kitai jatai shriak kita ki pers so shan jofi but nga perkhat ba kaladai ka babiang baka department kale kawan lam shu ki consignments lani kita ki tenrai na ka benta jong phi ki bala dep tes ya uni ujat jingthum. All the best ko.
Ma'am.
Sa Kanmaban Island yang ngatang, she sendok wafin dalam ni. All the best ko. I mean, it's not that heavy. So happy ko. All the best Hong Kong.
Iba Herod syuting kan?
Ish ba? Penat ba? Tung bahama
Iba-
ka mo. All the
Iba
best.
tips suk po sna.
Nice ba tipso. Suplay si hajar mo, tila jutong ba. Very good. Iyo nong katno kalas.
Haka jing yo jing ujon na kaway kaseng kabala ay kerteng ka kun kentay Nohprah Association halor ka jing buon ki brew na bar ka Jylla ki bakayi pateng hayawdo klem don ya ka trading license na kalyang ka KHADC mentakas ngi ka hendrew tarik Nohprah kalahiyar kenra igdukan jang ki bar Jylla hayawdo. Ke apat ka bapins ngaw lingo e ka jing kanra trading license kalong bakani kaseng kabala let ujor siya UCM ka KHADC kalaja abat klem wan mi ha kani kasngi ban kadawlanti kita kidukan ba klem don license. Ha ka jing kanra balaya lam do EM in charge jong ka trade uba ji merthong ha ka jing senran lang uba fantin lakadong bat uba Gabriel wa lang lem bat UCM ka hima melim bat ki menteri ringkat bat ka KHADC bat ki enforcement bat ki police aim. Ha ka tega jing kanra nakalyang jong ka council kalayo ban khang e south li kedukan ke bala klem pen thamai show e ka trading license. Habukren shikilat pathai Khubor UEM in charge ulapan pau ba ka KHADC nang ni syakmat kan shim kia shu yakum kani ka seng snayap ka bashulet ban bo tangki jing ujor klem da don pat ka jing soy kerteng.
इंस्पेक्टर बोलो ना सर मारा कैसे ये सर
Kajingwan jengi mentasni kalong halor kanong rim ba kadon kuwi ka seng naki seng kentai kun Nohprah association balawan ai daga jingtho sengi sa council kena ta daw ni wan mentasni ban wat ya kita ki jing sisa halor ka jing pentip jongki re ngilap kumban ba naki yang kita ki ba wan complain sa council ikleman ni kalong kai ka ba bom singo tenan abang iba pila wan ban ai complain haka noka kam gumut pidai ban wan lang kamtam e pi ai ra kerteng association ada individual to pila ban wan ru dre mentaki wan ka asyot gumut pidai ban ya don lang bat ni mentas ni dre ki klemwan kena kaleng ding ngila le ya ka ki badon kam jong council ngila ya ngila persang ban wat ya kita kiba kila ajing tho kini ki association dre ngilap ba ki don hi katokat ni kiba 4 renew ki license ki don kiba syong lempat don license ya itu ngila ya cakmat kapun ka kanon yung ka council
ini bahan ni ha yudo kampun ki bukan jadi kerteng kasih ni ki yok dah tidak kau ka disik musul ko 5 million kali ya ni
ya kata tin nakaling ding council ya trelang baik bat kisim no kiba don kam banya trelang bat kisim lan bat kisnong niya trelang baik bat nginsim ya akson hakbay day bat ki an jong ka council bat nakaling kisim ya kano kaba day ban sim lakin bet kalong kumtahi namar mulai kamdon kasil kamdon kano ndre haba nakaling ka council pat habala don kano complain niha pendep ya kamram datang kata laragi wan beng kum kini ijaj seng bomdon sil bondon yu kane kadai kasin ke benengkong bangiyo kum kane ka city bat hadin habut habal kiwan hakani garukom minum entertain ki hap wanra ya ke detail jong kita ki dukan ki bumdon transaction kita ki labor ki ba tre hagi dukan jongno lemda kim submit ya ke detail na kaleng jongi minum tre suban entertain
Henne kesngi kehenriu terik benai Nohprah Arhajar Arpulai kejingnya lekai basketball ha ke Lumpung jongka 73rd Senior National Basketball Championship ha ke liang jongki kentai ha ke Group F kejingnya kun kelalong hapring kitai lekai jongka Jylla Meghalaya bat kitai jongka Jylla Goa. Hakini kejingnya kop ke bedairu kejingnya kun ke bakat duk nak kebenta ke kenhun jang ke Meghalaya kini ke Kela kalala ban penrem no ya ke kenhun jang ke Jylla Goa dan Nohprah la Nohprah basket. Kumju a kejingnya kun jang ke Shillong ru na ki lai pesau teli ki kenhun ke Meghalaya ke badon ha ke Group C ha kejingnya kun ha kini keju kesngi kala penrem no ya ke kenhun Andaman and Nicobar da san punyau la lai pau basket. Kaseng Nohprah Achik National Movement HANM East and West Khasi Hills District mentaka sengi kan riu terik ubnai Nohprah Arhajar Arpulai kabadairu kalingko sengi yap jong ka riu yale lait lut kenthei ka beningkong jong ka Jylla ka pannong lait kaseng kalayo ban penhak perdano ya ke Lumpung kenjat ball jong ki kenthei ya ka bala ai kerteng ka second pannong lait women's knockout football tournament Arhajar Arpulai hamadan yale ka jong ka Shillong Mairang mission. Hakini kesngi penhak perdai kini ke Lumpung lawan ban Sakhilang ADC ke distrik uba El Mirthong kumukongsan harengkat usordar ke Kinshi Mauria uba Powell Soklet Presiden rangba ke HANM Sengkemi uba Lamprang Kharbani Presiden ke HANM East and West Khasi Hills uba artis Rentathiang kinongkit kam jongga seng lembat ki pai bat nong shnong Haba pasha kejingnya kun final hapo madan ban yora eka nam ladu kejingnya lekai kalong hapeding ke Lumparing SC na East Khasi Hills persya eka Yai Persang FC na East and West Khasi Hills. Kejingnya kun hapeding kini ki arteli kalong ke beitenat Henry ha kejingyo ban tap gol ke Lumparing kala therting bat kala yo ban tap lai gol kat ba ka Yai Persang kam shim lala ban penpai wat tang shikol ru. Bat hadu bakut kejingnya lekai ke Yai Persang kala lim no dalai la no. Lumparing SC kalalong kaladu akani ke Lumpung ha kaba kalayo ban Korea ke song pisa harengkat ke tropi.
Penreo. Himla ban kat hau 1947. Bakari India kayo jinglaj lot. Kine ki kharyong ki bawan sini kani jungi kumno ban pendo. Kumno ban thombor, kumno ban kini. Ya kena kasiap jong kejak penreu lengba kipun kam da kita kijing start lengba ka aing ke kanon Kaya nomor kata, hagani kapur, komu presiden marangba jong kaseng, nak kentu ibi kisamla jong kena hima, kamtam ya kis samla jong cek menreo. Ba menta kam daisu, kajuk jong kawat jong karenti, henrai menta kadai kajuk jong ka jinstat, kajuk jong ka jinsumpang, kumno ban ek yakari berkajat menreo. Tengah kermen kum kaseng lengba jopi kisamla kamtam lengba jopi kine ki bai kendo fral menta pen sapenne shibon ki phanong aj hagne ka jok bamenta lengba ka jingstat lengba ka jeng traisitom lengba ka jeng ejhok yakari bat kajat menreo tangne kinten bakhandiat Islam kajat menreo Islam ka brih nutrap.
Khubor kan stay next time. Lewat terus pak. Woi. Rirong cepat.
Ke Shillong la jong ke lepoi sya ke kerdan ke balai hadin bekeleplim ya ke Churchill Brothers FC da ar la not ha ke jingile akai league ke belalong ha kan trik Nohprah ar hajar ar pulai hamadan pulu Shillong. Ha ke ni ke jingye kun ke Shillong la jong ke la yok ban penki ke jar ha ke kelas step ke jingile akai da UL boham ha ke minit ke besar pesan. Kat baya ke gol ke baar pat layo tap de urenan ha ke minit ke basan puar kat ban ke liang jong ke Churchill Brothers FC ke la persang ban penpai kini ki arkol Henry ha ke bekut ke jingele akai kamla ban penpai watang shikul ru ke Shillong la jong ke layo ban kur sa lai point lingba ke ni ke jingjok.
Churchill Brothers, ever since we were talking about this, once the initial jitters are off, they are a very hard side to contend with. The numbers probably of the points table will not tell you. They'll say otherwise because just with a couple of victories, Churchill Brothers, they're ailing pretty much in the bottom half of the points table. But that really doesn't met out justice to the kind of quality that Churchill Brothers have or they bring to the table. Here's the ball with Shillong Lajong. Though Shillong Lajong has, I won't exactly say that they have gone back into the husk, but now it's a more open play than it initially was. It was kind of lopsided when the game began in the wee hours of the fixture. It was just the Reds coming in numbers, but then the Red Machines, they geared up as well and they got switched on. And since then it has been a pretty feisty battle at both ends.
But now Shillong Kane in attack. Renan Polino has been allowed some space. And now from the right to Paga, time and again coming in the box. Another chance. This one is the best of them. There is no offside involved this time. It came off a deflection. And the Rock Capital can now rock in style. It's 1-0 Shillong Lajong. And now they will be a happy side.
Brilliant finish by Levang. He had his eyes on the ball. And Shubhashish Roy shows that he's certainly not happy. I reckon there's a yellow card as well that has gone out. We'll confirm quickly who was the man who was given the booking there. But a brilliant finish, a good team goal if I may say. It was not about individual brilliance, it was a dedicated effort. rolling up straight down the gully of Bishal Lama. Or picks it up, takes his time, looks around, just trying to steal away a few crucial seconds. That's all I can say.
He has done well, Bishal Lama, not just today, I mean throughout the season. At the moment he looks solid but hasn't got a clean sheet. But Paga, time and again, he's been dropped down, and this time no question marks. The first one wasn't given, and now Shillong, what a start to the second half if they can convert this opportunity. They're complaining.
They are complaining, they can complain as much as they want, but once the decision has been given, it's not going to get overturned. And I think a yellow card is going to come out here for the new captain. That clearly is a penalty. There's no questions on that. In fact, the second one is a penalty as well. So I don't know why the referee didn't give it at the first go itself. It should have been given. But again, I think the referee understands better, and the referee brings out the yellow card to warn another Churchill Brothers player. Will confirm who is it. Look at the crowd. They are loving that. They are heaving and swirling. They are in a frenzy at the moment. And why not? Your team's leading and has a penalty to convert.
Well, they are going crazy at the moment, especially if they can go 2 up. Their celebrations can continue. 2 favorite free kick takers, Hardy Nohprah and Renan Polino. It seems like it will be Renan Polino. Just to remind you, he scored a penalty in this very fixture against Gokulam Kerala in that 3-1 victory a few matches ago. Can he convert is the question. Shubhashish Rajchaudhary up on a test against Renan Polino. He's got the flair, he's got the experience, Shubhashish. And will it be 1-0?
Polino with the chance. And introducing the Selecom.
But daki tuki Khubor ngila poi shaka bakut tar hadu penginde syambiang kublai shibon.